Okay, still here at Hayden Land and Cattle with Paul Hayden, and we've got a few other people that we've been touring their ranch today. Paul's showing us how he checks cattle using his drone. Sometimes from the kitchen table, he said, in the morning, having breakfast. You can see he's flying down the bunk lines. I'm probably gonna get right in your line of sight, aren't I?
No, you're good.
And he'll be able to see what kind of condition the cattle are in, if anybody maybe needs to move to the sick pen, if they're consuming, you know, cleaning the bunks up well, all that kind of information.
Cool.
You can check how fast does this speed up your cattle checking process? I mean, one guy can check almost 5,000 head in what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15 minutes. You can fly over, see where the cows are at. When the feed truck goes through, what's not coming up to eat. That's always pretty good to give away. That's not something's not doing good. So yeah, it speeds it up, and I don't have to put down my cup of coffee the entire time.
Or take your PJs off.
Yeah.
I mean, that's great. What else do you use the drone for on the operation? Do you check any, like, can you go, I know you do a lot of irrigation. Can you check irrigation?
Check if the water's getting out at the end of the field. Check that. Take it up to our ranch. It's real remote, a lot of mountains, canyons. Cattle get off somewhere. It takes all day to find them. This takes you 20 minutes to go see if there's a steer up on top or a cow on top of a mountain instead of riding a horse up there.
Absolutely, because you guys, what, you said you got a 60,000 acre BLM allotment up there near your up there at the ranch, and so and about 30,000 of you said usable. So to be able to check that, that's a significant amount of ground to cover.
Yeah,
and you can do that in 15 minutes. That's awesome.
Way faster.
That is so cool. Check all your waste management facilities, make sure that's working good. Absolutely, well, this is cool. Other than enjoying watching this video, now we all want one, so.
Also, it's used to scare, if you get this, scare the birds off the grain pile.
Oh yeah, cool. Nobody likes birds on their grain pile. Tell you what, guys, there's some cool things in agriculture that not everybody gets to see on a daily basis. Think outside the box, right, Paul?
Yep.
All right, thanks for sharing this with us.